Good ma'am and my dear friends, I'm Justine Kaur from class plus 2 and today I'm going to speak on a topic where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you ma'am for giving me an opportunity to speak on this topic. So dear friends, the saying where there is a will, there is a way is one of the most powerful phrases in English language. It simply reminds us that our success does not depend on our luck or our circumstances, but it depends on our determination. Okay, so here I'm not only talking about determination, but I'm talking about the firm determination. Okay, so do any of you know the meaning of the will? Wait, let me explain you. Will is not just a wish or a dream, it is a firm decision to reach our goals.
Very good. Go ahead with that. Go ahead.
It is a firm decision to reach our goals. No matter how many obstacles are there in our way, having a will means if you ever faced a closed door, never get back. Rather, what we have to do, we have to build a new door or find a key. I hope my words help you to understand the meaning of this powerful phrase. If there is a will, there is a way. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Very good. Round of applause.
And my dear friends, I am Parvinder Singh and today I am going to deliver speech on topic where there is a will, there is a way. In life, almost everyone faces problem and challenges. Sometimes things may seem difficult and we feel like giving up. But my dear friends, that moment we should not surrender. Rather, we must stand up against all odds. Here, unflinching determination plays an important role. A person who is fully dedicated towards his goal will find a way to achieve it, no matter what. It is rightly said by someone that it always seems impossible until it's done. Okay, guys, nutshell of my speech, I would like to say that if your determination is strong enough, no obstacle can stop you. With this, thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Very clap.
Evening, respected Nat and my dear friends. My name is Manushri. I study in class 4th in Greenland Convent School. Today, I would like to speak on the topic, what I want to become. Everyone in life has a dream. A dream gives us direction and purpose. It motivates us to move forward and achieve something meaningful. It motivates us to move forward and achieve something meaningful. My dear friends, I believe that we should choose our goal according to our interests and capability. Some want to become doctors, some engineers, and some want to serve the nation through government jobs. Whatever we choose, we must do it with full dedication and honesty. If it comes to talk about myself, I am a patriot. I love my country deeply. My heart beats for my nation. For me, my country is not just a piece of land. It's my pride, my identity, and my responsibility. That's why I have decided to become an IAS officer. This service is not just a job for me. It's an opportunity to serve the nation, help people, and bring a real change in society. Even today, many people struggle for basic needs like food, education, and shelter. I don't want to just see the problems. I want to be a part of the solution. My dear friends, yes, the journey is tough. There will be difficulties and failures, but we should never give up. With hard work, patience, and dedication, we can achieve it. In the end, I would like to say that don't just dream, have a courage to follow your dream and turn them into reality. Thank you for the patience here.
Very good. Clap.
My dear friends, my name is Devant Pratap Singh. I'm 13 years old. and my dream is to become DIG officer. I want to serve my country with honesty, courage, and discipline. I will work hard every day to achieve my goal and make my family proud. I, I believe in that I want to protect people and stand for justice and fight against crime. Guys, I believe in education and I, I believe in education and I will never give up on my dream. Because do you know the full form of the DAG? The full form of the DAG is Deputy Inspector General. Thank you for listening me patiently and faithfully.
Very good. Clap.
Good evening, ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Raveen Kaur from class 10. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of you. The proverb, where there is a will, there is a way, teaches us the importance of determination. It means that if we truly decide to achieve something, nothing can stop us. My dear audience, life is full of challenges, but a strong will helps us overcome those difficulties. People who stay focused and keep trying never give up, and that is why they succeed. However, willpower is not just about wishing. It requires hard work, patience, and self-belief. With these qualities, even tough goals become possible. In conclusion, if our determination is strong, nothing can stop us. So always believe in yourself. Because where there is a will, there is always a way. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Very good. A big round.
Dear friends, thank you for giving me privilege to speak some lines in front of you. My dear friends, everyone has a dream or goal that gives direction to their life. My aim in life is to become a doctor. I want to serve the people of my country and help those who are sick and in need of medical care, especially in villages. I believe in being kind and I want to provide free treatment to poor people. To achieve this, my dear friends, I'm working hard on my studies, particularly in science. I would like to say I hope to bring a positive change to the lives of others. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Very good.
Respected ma'am and my dear friends, my name is Prabkirat Kaur. I study in 10th standard. Today I am here to deliver on very significant topic, my aim in life. Dear friends, my aim is to become a doctor. I strongly believe doctor like the gods on earth who saves lives and removes pain. Just like the lavender flower is known for its healing, I also want to heal people and give them a new life.
Switch over to another. No.
Give. August audience that in many villages, India do not have proper hospitals or doctors. My dream is to work for poor and needy. Poor and needy who cannot afford expensive treatment. When India is healthy, it will be automatically powerful. So in pursuit of hope, guys, to include, I will say, this is my promise. This is my
Very good, beta. Go ahead. This is my promise. Very good.
This is my promise. I will serve in remote areas and treat poor people for free. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
Very good. God bless. God. Yeah.
And my dear friends, my name is Jashandeep Singh. I study in class 6 in Greenland Convent School. Today I tell my aim in my life. The, everyone has a different aim in his life. The aim is very important to achieve something. If I talk about my aim is to become a successful doctor in my life.
Very good. Go
The
ahead.
doctor play a major role in our life. He is very hardworking and polite. I want to save thousand people of life, thousand people's life. I I will I will provide free treatment for poor people. Not only this, in the future, I will serve my nation as become a doctor. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good.
Dear man and my dear friends, I am here from class 5th. Today I am going to tell you my aim in life. My aim in life is to become a teacher. I love helping others and learn new things. I want to teach English and science. Guys, do you know? Teaching helps children to grow and succeed. I have been inspired by my own teachers. That's why I have decided this goal. I will listen to my teachers and learn from them. I will work hard to reach my goal. When I become a teacher, I will be patient and kind to my students. In the end, I will say becoming a teacher will make a big difference in the world. Thank you for listening me patiently.
Very good. What?
Respected ma'am and my dear friends, my name is Devi Singh and I am from class 5th. Today, I want to speak on the topic what I want to become. I want to become a badminton player. This game is full of excitement and this keep us fit and healthy. This needs speed, focus, and smart thinking. This sport is my favorite. My dear friends, you want to know why I decide my why I decided badminton as a career. One day during a sports period, I forgot my football shoes, and my teacher said to try a new game, badminton, and I can't play. I couldn't play. Couldn't play badminton. After that, I start building my interest in this game, and gradually I start play regularly. I hope, I believe that with a hard work and a dedication, I hope I will become a badminton player. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. That's all the
And my dear friends, my name is Doris and I am 15 years old. My aim is to become High Court judge, not for the power but for the unheard voice. That is
Very good. Go ahead, Billa. Don't get afraid of anything. Go ahead.
not for the power but for the
Situation no problem. Make your own point. No problem.
not for the power but for the people who are treated silently. I want to
I want to help them. You can add on your own story. No?
I want to stand for truth and fairness. For that, I will work hard every day and achieve my goal. Thank you.
Very good. God bless. Go. Shabash. You can.
Good evening, ma'am and my dear friends. Thank you for giving me the privilege to speak.
Very good. Go ahead, Billa.
My name is Venkat Singh. My age is 14 years old. I am in 7th standard in Greenland Conventional Phase 2 degree, Ludhiana. My hobbies are playing cricket, football, and listening music. My aim is become a accountant.
Very good.
My family members are
Very good. This is all about myself. You can end up by this. I want to say something. You can say. Very good. Clap for. Very good. Very good.